What's up, guys? So I am out in the cold near a shop that I've been working at lately to give you guys some good news on a couple fronts. One, I think the job situation is taken care of. We'll talk more about that in a future video, but the other is I looked into something I think is going to be good for both me and for the channel. And so I'd like to introduce to you our next project and my newest vehicle, this. So in a bit of luck that came my way, I was able to pick up this truck, which is a 98 F-150 for stupid cheap. I'm not even going to say how much, but very cheap. And so let's walk around, look at it. We'll talk about it for a minute, and I'll tell you where you're going to see this on the channel and what kind of stuff we're going to do. First of all, this is four-wheel drive with the off-road package. It has got some rust. This thing was used as a farm truck, so it is, the outer body is pretty rusty, but we'll look under it in a minute and I'll show you that most of the structural stuff is actually in really good shape. Needs tires, as would be expected of a truck this cheap. Interior wise, it's pretty dirty, but it's not too bad. It does have the third door and it has the back seat, which is, you know, big enough for small people to sit in, I suppose. Better than nothing. Has F-150 floor mats in it already. Has an aftermarket stereo. It's got a Panasonic that looks really old, so that probably won't stay. I'll probably swap that out. Overdrive button's broken off, as they always are on F-150s, so we'll be doing a video about fixing that. This needs to go. It needs some serious cleanup. Just typical stuff you would see on any F-150, I think. Now this doesn't want to latch for whatever reason. Once again, it is four-wheel drive, as is obvious by the hubs here. The brakes are not in great shape, so we're going to be doing some brake work too. Actually, the brakes barely work at all right now, so it's got a hydraulic issue. But under the hood, we've got the big 5.4 Triton V8. This is the 2-valve 5.4. These are not bad motors, but they are known for a few specific problems, and so there are some things that we'll have to get into there and deal with, but nothing I'm super worried about or anything. But so that's more content coming there too. And other than that, like I said, just a lot of like body rust like this, which is really uncommon for a Southern vehicle, so I don't know what caused that, but it all appears to be cosmetic, because if you look under here, we really don't have hardly any rust at all on the actual body. The body mount bolts look fine. I mean, nothing really looks bad under here, so I think the rust is just going to be cosmetic more than it is anything else. But so that's the things we've got to deal with there. There's the big rear end. This should have the heavy duty suspension under it because it's the off-road package. We'll probably do some exhaust work too, because that 5.4 sounds pretty good when it's opened up. We've got some tape going on here, so that's probably leaking. We'll need to look into that. Got a bed liner in it. There's the spare. Comes with the tool chest. So yeah, so let me know what you think. But I think this is going to be a cool project, and I needed a truck, and this is going to come out pretty inexpensive for me, so I'm pretty happy about it. So what do you guys think? I know we don't normally do a lot of Ford stuff on this channel, but we have had some videos from that other F-150 that my friend owns. So it's something I've been into on this channel a little bit already. But let me know what you think about it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Roadworthy. Oh, one thing I do want to mention before we get started. This was running very, very badly when I bought it. I kind of bought it without really checking it out, so I was taking a chance, but I fixed it. It's running good now, and I wanted to show you guys what I did. This is what I found, believe it or not, that was causing it to miss so bad. Factory original Motorcraft plugs that have probably never been changed. And if you look very closely right there, that center electrode, which is, I can't really get it to focus, but that center electrode in the middle of that spark plug, the insulator is gone. It's completely missing. And that was what was causing the miss. I put 2 plugs in it so far, and it runs actually really good. So we're gonna do a video where we replace all the plugs. I might even do coils too, but we'll do all that. We'll talk about that in another video. So that's it for this video. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you for hanging in there through all of this. Make sure you drop me a like. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and peace.